Start the question 13.
So minus 15 of 8,000 rupees.
Can you
Yes.
tell us how to solve this question? Question
Yes.
13.
15 upon 100 into 8,000. My answer was 1,200. So I
Oh, what is-
subtracted.
Arey Dada, what is this question saying? What are they trying to say? What is this question all about? Can you explain the question?
So like they are asking the cost of the scooter is 8,000. So it decreases every year by 15%.
Okay.
So the current year its cost is 8,000. So later it will decrease by 15% again. So they're asking after 1 year. So that
Yes, Satya.
yeah, so the question is telling like the cost of the scooter decreases by 15% every year. So the present cost is 8,000. So we have to do 8,000 minus 15%.
So this is the present cost.
Yeah.
And the cost of the scooter depreciates. Satya, what is the meaning of depreciation?
Decrease.
Decrease. Sarthak, have you understood depreciation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what is your favorite car?
So the Lamborghini.
How much does it cost?
So I do.
Satya, how much does a Lamborghini cost?
Around 13 crores.
1 crore? Yeah, 30
Yes,
crore.
1 3.
Let us assume it costs 13 crores. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have bought this Lamborghini. Now after 1 year, you want to sell it. Satya, how much will you pay for this Lamborghini after 1 year?
9 crores.
9 crores. Why would you buy 13 crores? Why would you pay 13
Because
crores?
already used. So, and it was bought 1 year back.
Okay. Now let us assume, Satya, let us assume that this Lamborghini was owned by Sachin Tendulkar. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now how much are you ready to pay for this 13 crores?
9 crores only, because it doesn't matter whoever uses it.
It doesn't matter.
Yes.
When you go and tell your friends that ये Lambo Sachin की है,
But then how will they believe me? They haven't even seen that number plate.
yeah, let us assume he allows you to use the same number plate. And let us assume like in American movies they write, na? So there is Sachin T written at the back of the car, at number plate. Now how much are you willing to pay?
15 crores.
15 crores. Sarthak, how much will you pay for this?
So 14 crores.
14 crores. Somebody may pay 20 crores for it. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
You are absolutely right. Most of the things will depreciate. Have you understood what is depreciation?
Yes.
Most of the things will depreciate. But there are few things which appreciate also. Have you understood? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Most of the things will depreciate. With age, they will depreciate. But there are very few things which actually appreciate when they are old. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So, say for example, somebody says that this sword is of Shivaji. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So people will pay crores for it. Have you understood?
Yeah.
But then Sarthak will say, "Arey, ये तो पुरानी sword है." Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Why should we pay so much for it? But then there are few things which actually appreciate with age. So there are two things which can happen. Few things appreciate, and a few things depreciate with age, with time. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is a scooter. Present value of the scooter is 8,000 rupees. Sarthak, how much does it depreciate every year?
15%.
15% of what?
So it's normal cost.
Profit is the value at the beginning of the year. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So in first year, how much will it depreciate? It will depreciate by 15% of 8,000 rupees. Any doubt about this? Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So Sarthak, what will be the depreciation?
So 15 into 80.
Is the answer. So this is the amount that it will depreciate during that whole year. So end of the year, what will be the cost of the scooter? Satya?
Sir, it will be 6,800.
6,800. Sarthak, any doubt? Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this 6,800 is the cost at the beginning of the second year. Have you understood? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So in the second year, the depreciation would be, Satya?
Sir, it will be 5,600.
During the second year, the depreciation would be 15% of 6,800. Any doubt? Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So second year, this would be the depreciation. Now, what will be the cost after 2 years? Satya? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, is your answer correct? Satya, is your answer correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer that you have got?
4,780.
Sarthak, what is your answer?
So I got it wrong because I did minus 15%. So I got minus 4,780.
Hey, this is 5. Your answer should be 5,780. Have you guys understood?
Okay, sir. So I also got wrong.
Mr. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
See, again, I'll suggest that you need to do these questions again. Both of you.
Okay, sir.
Because actually, These are a bit difficult questions. That is why. So I'll try to upload this in the evening. But you need to do these questions again. Okay. Question 16. Sarthak, how should I do it?
It'll be 80% of 150 questions.
What would be John's?
80 upon 100 into 150. So 0 can be cut.
What would be the answer? Satya, what is the answer?
120. So 1 second, for John or Mohan.
For John.
So for John it will be 120 and for Mohan it will be 96.
So John's score is 120. Mohan is 96. Now what is the second part, Satya?
So second part will be 96 upon 120 into 100.
Mohan's correct is 96. John's correct is 120 into 100. Sarthak, any doubt? Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
The answer is 80%.
Please try to do these questions again.